Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are fine at your place. Now we are going to start our new chapter of history. But before that, I want to discuss some points. Man as we see today has developed gradually over a period of more than 4 to 5 million years. It was a series of slow changes through which human beings has developed from apes. Human beings has developed from apes. To become a proper human from ape, it took a lot of time. So, in this chapter, we will read about early humans. So, our chapter name is Early. In early stages, early humans were hunter gatherers and nomads. They traveled from one place to another place in search of food, water, and shelter. They also hunted wild animals and gathered fruits, roots, nuts, and seeds. When the resources of plant and animal food got exhausted in one place, they moved to another place in search of food, water, and shelter. Early humans lived a primitive life. Primitive means very simple life because they during winters they used animal skins and bark of trees and leaves to keep themselves warm. And during summers they did not wear anything. And they used to spend their nights in trees, caves, and rock shelter. So, this way we can say that early humans lived a primitive life. Now, next we will read about the Stone Age. The Stone Age can be divided into three periods of study based on the type, quality of stone tools that early humans used. So, first we will read about Paleolithic or Old Stone Age. This period lasted from early times till about 10,000 BCE. And in this age, early humans used crude stone tools. Which crude stone tools? Crude means the thing which we found in a natural state. It means early humans used stone directly which they found in their surrounding as a tool. They did not make any changes in that stones. So we can say that early humans used crude stone tools in Paleolithic age. Second age is Mesolithic or Middle Stone Age. This period lasted from 10,000 BCE to 8,000 BCE. The stone tools of this period are called microliths. Why microliths? Because they are very smaller, sharper, and more efficient than the tools of Paleolithic age. And apart from stones, animal bones and horns were also used to make tools. Now, next we will read about Neolithic or New Stone Age. This period lasted from 8000 to 4000 BCE, and the stone tools of this period were more efficient than the tools of Mesolithic age. Axes, sickles, spears, and arrowheads were used in this age. So, we read about three stone age. Now, next we will read about sites. How can we know about that there were early humans? We know about them the evidences which they found which they left behind, and the evidences are stone tools, and the evidences are stone tools. Some places of India found the stone tools. Some are finished and some are unfinished. The places where which we found stone tools evidences are called sites. From these sites, the stone tools which we found, they tell us about there were early humans and they used stone tools. Now, next we will read about humans make tools. Early humans make tools of stones. Why? Because stones were easily available in their surrounding, and they used special kind of stone for this. They used flint. Flint is a kind of stone. They used flint stone to make tools. Why? Because this stone was easily molded in different kind of shapes. Both big and small stones were used to make tools and weapons. The bigger ones were shaped into axe heads, hammers, and choppers. The smaller pieces of stones were sharpened and used as knives and scalpers. Still smaller stones were given a sharp point and tied to arrow and spears. These were these were used to hunt animals. These were used to hunt animals. That's all for today. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks.